How to create a regular campaign in Moosend. First, click on the link provided in the description below to gain easy access on the tool we'll be using. Once there, log in your account or sign up if you don't already have one. After logging in, you will be directed to the dashboard. On the menu bar, click on Campaigns and then select Regular Campaign. In the top right-hand corner, click on New and choose Regular. On the Set Basic Settings page, you'll need to enter information for the following items. On the campaign type, you can choose between HTML or plain text. We recommend using HTML as it enables accurate reporting. Enter a name for your campaign. This name is for internal use only. Enter a subject line for your campaign. Make sure it's brief and explicit, as it will appear in your recipient's inbox. On the preview text, enter a secondary message that helps catch the recipient's attention. Enter the name that will display as the sender of your campaign. Choose a name that will be easily recognizable. Enter the reply to address for recipients to use. Send confirmation to. Enter the email address where you want to receive a confirmation once your campaign is delivered. Track your campaign with Google Analytics. Enable this option to track traffic for this campaign. Track your campaign revenue. Enable this option to track views and orders for your campaign and click Next. On the Choose Email List page, select an email list or segments that you want to send the campaign to and click Next. You can select more than one list or segment. Please note that only active members of any selected list or segment will receive the email. On the Design page, you can edit your campaign design by clicking Start Designing. There are two options available. Create your own design from scratch using the campaign editor. You can also select a pre-made customizable template. Imported campaign template. Toggle the switch to on if you want to import a campaign using an existing template from a URL, your computer, or by pasting HTML code. Within the Schedule Delivery feature, you are presented with two options. You can either select, I want to send this campaign now, or I want to schedule this campaign to be sent at a specific time. In this instance, I am going to use the I want to send this campaign now option. You can still preview your campaign before sending. Scheduled Delivery, choose. I want to schedule this campaign to be sent at a specific date and time, and fill in the required fields. Resending to subscribers that did not open. Choose Resend Campaign to non-openers and fill in the required fields. On the preview page, review the overview of your campaign. To edit a setting, simply click on the Edit link. All fields with missing information are indicated by a red cross in a circle. Optionally, if you want to send a test of your campaign, you have two options. Send a test email. This sends a test email to one or more inboxes of your choice, so you can see what the final email looks like. Spam test. This tests the likelihood of whether your email reaches your subscriber's inbox and avoids their spam filters. Finally, when you're finished, you can either click Send to activate your campaign or save your changes for later by clicking Save and Exit.